Hello everybody, it's Michelle and I'm going to show you how to create your opt-in form. And this tutorial is going to be that the response magic opt-in forms that we use. That's part of the marketing system that we get as members of the Legends Network when you upgrade. So let me go into the Legends Network and let me log in. Go log in. Go log in. Oops. All right, when you log in, I'm going to log into my Recruit on Demand login right here, okay? So I'm just going to click on that. That is going to take me to my marketing system, MLM Recruit on Demand, where you get 100 free leads a month and it has an autoresponder service with it. Yikes, sorry about that. All right, so I'm logging into that. And then I'm going to go to my autoresponder service, which is Response Magic. So click on that. So now I'm in the Response Magic. Now Response Magic is not one of the more common ones, but guys, this is a workhorse. This is an awesome, awesome responding service. And all you're going to do is you're going to go to Create, and you're going to click Opt-in Form. So we're going to create an opt-in form. And this is going to be for my website, right? So you're going to select a list. Now, you want to create a list if you haven't already, all right? So create a new list, but I already have a list created. It's going to be my free internet marketing training or my blog. So we're going to click on that. And then what you want to do is you want to have a call to action, which is the headline. So right now it's free internet marketing training courses. So I'm going to say this is the main headline, okay? And you can choose the color. You can make it any color you want. So we can make it blue if we want, okay? And let me do that. All right. All right, so now it's blue. And I personally like the red, but I'm just showing you this for illustrative purposes. Let me put a space between that. Okay, this is your call to action. This is your call to action section. Okay, so as you can see over here, it's populating that. Now because we're doing an opt-in form, we're not doing a video on this, okay? And we're not going to do anything else besides actually removing. We want to make this opt-in form as small as possible. And statistically, more people are going to opt in when you don't ask their first and last name. So I'm actually going to just delete these two and just ask for their email address, okay? Now we need to leave this up here because I don't even think it will allow you to remove it. And I am going to remove, however, the Powered by Response Magic portion because I want this to be as small as possible. So, you can change this thumbnail here, this that says Get Instant Action. You can actually say, whatever you want it to say. Click here now, okay? So this is really awesome, very customizable. Do you want to allow prospects to fill in the form using Facebook? No, because this is not set up that way. And we're going to leave this the way it is. And do you wish to receive an email notification? Yes. And this is where you're going to put in your custom thank you page. So when you go to your actual, let's go to my dashboard. Okay, everybody that's on my team, I've already created a thank you page for you. So all you need to do is you need to go in and you need to customize it. So let me show you what mine is. So I'm going to Pages, and my thank you page is right here. Thank you and welcome. I'm going to click View so that I can grab the URL. And what I mean by URL is what's right here. This is my URL. This is my thank you page that everybody that opts in to that list will get. Okay, this is customized for them. So I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to copy. And I want to make sure it says HTTP at the beginning, so let me check. Yes, okay. all right? I want to say no on the powered by message because I don't want it, I want to make this as small as possible, okay? So there we go. There's my opt-in form. That's all you do. Click submit and get code. And now that it's been created, all you do is you left click so it highlights everything, right click and copy. So I have this now copied, and what we're going to do is we are actually going to go to our dashboard and click on just landed options, and we're going to go to banner, and then you're going to go to text content, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right here I already have this highlighted. I'm just going to hit select all, and I'm going to paste this new code, okay? And then I'm going to make sure that the banner resizes according to the size of my form, so that is check marked. Save all changes. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Visit site. And there's the new opt-in form with my image. So that's how you create an opt-in form with your response magic and how to put it on your landing page.